the scene of Queens here in Huntsville, Alabama. I am getting ready to say my lines, so I want to practice it for you guys, and then I'll go out and do it in front of the camera. All right, so let's hold it. Y'all, we're kind of bootleg with my cell phone today because I dropped my other camera, y'all remember that. Okay, so here's my line. Everything that you need is on the inside of you. The kingdom of God is on the inside of you. Wealth is on the inside of you. Prosperity is on the inside of you. Witty inventions and new ideas are on the inside of you. Creativity and insight is on the inside of you. A master builder is on the inside of you. The ability to rebuild, to restore, to regenerate, to resurrect is on the inside of you. Now I challenge you to reach in and pull the inside out and rule and reign in the kingdom that God has predestined just for you. Prosperity is on the inside of you. Creativity and witty ideas.
This is from a live studio audience. Here we go, add 3, 2.
Everything that you need is on the inside of you. The kingdom of God is not out there, it's on the inside of you. Creativity is on the inside of you. Witty inventions and new ideas and the creative resources that you need to bring them forth, they're on the inside of you. Wealth and prosperity, it is on the inside of you. A master builder is on the inside of you. The ability to resuscitate and restore and to begin again, it's on the inside of you. And now is your time to pull what's on the inside of you out. Stop looking around you because it's not there. It's here. So pull that thing out of you and go and do what God has predestined you to do. You are a queen, and you were created to rule and to reign for such a time as this. And now is your time. So now that you guys have seen the behind the scenes of the recording and that process, I wanted to give you guys some more insight as to why this entire project was conceived by Fredro Starr. So this entire project was conceived out of the notion or the idea that more positive and motivational content needed to be created for women by women. And it was just befitting, in my opinion, that this took place during Women's Empowerment Month. And it was just a pleasure for me to be surrounded with such powerful and inspiring, motivational and encouraging women who look like myself. As I look at this scene and this set of women, I can't help but to think about the current events that are going on around us right at this very moment, at a time that, we women have endured so much backlash and, for lack of better terms, just the things that we have to encounter on a day-to-day basis to prove who we are as mothers, as wives, as professionals, as entrepreneurs and creators. Like, we have to work 10 times as hard to get that same level of respect. And to see so many women represented here who are business owners and professionals and teachers and preachers and entrepreneurs, it's just such a blessing. And I just want to encourage each of you guys to look within and find the queen with you and within you. Don't compare yourself to another individual or what they may or may not have accomplished in their lives, because the Bible tells us to compare yourself to another is simply not wise. I have too been just kind of exhausted from watching the current events with Mr. Jackson and what his wife is going through. And, I look at it from a totally different perspective, because I think we have all been in
a situation or circumstance in our life where we felt like we simply weren't enough. So instead of bashing her, I think something like this would be, more value added, in the life of someone who is going through a thing in a marriage or in a relationship or with their kids, to just let them know, sis, we see you and you are enough. You have what it takes, to get to that next level and to be that person that you desire to be. So I just want to say thank you so much for Fred allowing me to be a part of this project. From the arrival to the food and the refreshments, everything was first class, and we cannot have enough events like this. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And at the very end of this video, I reveal to you guys the release date. So be sure to stay to the very end so that you can see not only myself and the behind the scene, but the other queens who were a part of this amazing project.
You got me all lost. Listen to my